Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can contact the Google AdSense support team if you did not receive your payment in Pakistan. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Google AdSense Help. Click on the first link that says AdSense Help. This will open the official Google support page. On the support page, scroll down and look for the section that says Fix a Problem. Under this section, choose Payments. Here you will see different payment-related topics. Since the issue is about not receiving your payment, click on the option that says AdSense Payment Issue Troubleshoot. It will ask you for your Gmail, which is connected to AdSense. When the page opens, you will see troubleshooting steps. Read them carefully and make sure your payment date has passed and your payment method is active. To contact support, you need to be signed in to your Google AdSense account. Click on Sign In and use the same Google account that is connected to your AdSense. After signing in, you will see a question mark icon at the top right corner. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Contact Us. There, you can tell your problem and Google will give you a form to fill out or an agent will contact you. You can describe your issue in the form or tell the agent. This is the correct way to contact Google AdSense support for payment issues in Pakistan. Thanks for watching.